Good afternoon, children. Today's class we are going to begin the next chapter, set. In this set, first we are going to learn the introduction about set. Set means collection of well-defined object, well-defined and distinct objects, and how to represent a set. Notation: a set is denoted by the cap letters such as A, B, C, X or Y. So a set can be defined only by the cap letters. See, let A be the set, let X be the set, like that. Only by the cap letter alphabets we can define the set. Members of the set are usually denoted by the small letters. So the members inside the set can be defined by the small letters. And representation of set. Today we are going to learn how to represent a set in two ways. Two methods also we can say. First method is roster method or tabular method. Two kinds of defining the set. Two models in two ways we can define a set. One is by roster method or tabular method. Another one is set builder method. Now, how to define a set in roster method? In this method, the set is directed by writing down all the members inside the set by the braces. So, whatever the elements will be in the set, it will be defined inside the braces, inside these flower braces. Suppose they have given one example. See, represent the set X of members 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, X, it is a set because they have given in cap letter. And the elements of set will be in small letter or small members that they have mentioned inside the braces. So this is how you can define the roster method. Next method is rule method or set builder method. In set builder method, the members of a certain set can be known without listing them, as in the roster method if the members of the set have a common property. So in the roster method, we have written the members directly, but in the rule method or set builder method, we will not write the members directly. Instead, we will write by its common property, like set of all even numbers, whole numbers, like that. With the common property we will define. And now next we are going to learn the exercise 1A problem. Which of the following collections are set? Set means it is a well-defined object. All the intelligent students of your class. See which class they have not mentioned. All the intelligence without any intuition they have given it. So it is not a well-defined set. Look at the subdivision. All the even numbers less than 9. So less than 9 you can say what are the even numbers will be 2, 4, 6, 8. So these are the even numbers less than 9. So it is well defined like this. Whatever the well defined members are there, you can say it as a set. Second question. Let X be a set of months having 31 days. Fill in the blanks by writing this E, like one alphabet is there, right? We will be calling it as belongs to. And above E one slash they have mentioned it is not belongs to. So whatever month you have 31, you can say it as belongs to. And if a month doesn't have 31 days, we can say it as not belongs to. January has 31 days, so we are saying it belongs. April will not have 31 days, so we are saying that it is not belonging. Third question. Let X be the set of letters of the word Maharashtra. Fill in the blanks with belongs to or not belongs to. So X as the members of the word Maharashtra. Look at the word first of N. In Maharashtra you don't have the alphabet N. So you are going to say N doesn't belongs to X. Third subdivision R. In Maharashtra you have the alphabet R. So you can say R belongs to X. Fourth problem. Write the following sets by roster method. Roster method means you can write the members directly inside the braces. Set builder method means you will write by the common property. Set of all proper divisors of 32. What are the tables? 32 will come. 2 table, 4 table, 8 table, 16 table, it will come. And even one tip. So devices they are asking, so we are starting from 2. Third subdivision is the set of vowels in the word mathematics. In mathematics, what are the vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. In mathematics, you have A, E and I. So roster method means you will write directly. So braces open A, E, I. That's all your answer. Fifth question, represent the following sets in the tabular form. Tabular form, roster or tabular. The other way of calling roster is tabular form. So you are here also you will be writing the members of the given question directly. So x is equal to x of all such that x is a letter of the word plate. So what they are saying, inside the brackets the plate, the alphabets of the plate will be written. So P, L, A, T, E. This is in the format set builder form. You are writing in the format tabular or roster form. C sum C. Third sum C is equal to set of all y such that y is a letter of the word containing pineapple. So you will be writing inside the braces the alphabets P, I, N, E. The members should not be repeated inside the brackets. Problem number 6. If A is equal to set of all x such that x is an odd number less than 15. So x is an odd number less than 15. See, 4 is there. 4 is not an odd number. So you are saying that it is not belongs to A. Look at the fourth subdivision. 5 is there. 5 is a odd number. So we are saying that 5 belongs to A. Seventh problem, if x is equal to set of all x such that x is a prime divisor of 72. 9 is not a prime divisor. 3 you can say prime divisor. So you are saying 3 belongs to x. Eighth problem, express the following set in the set builder form. Set builder form means you will be writing inside the braces with a common property. 2, 4, 6, 8. So how it will come in the common property? We can say that x such that x is an even natural number less than 9. So that I have written x is an even natural number and x less than 9. Then you have types of sets. First we have learned what is a set and how can we write set. Next we are learning what are the types of sets. Finite set, infinite set, empty set, cardinal set. Empty set will be denoted by like this. Cardinal number means how many elements will be there will be denoted as n of A is equal to 3 members means 3. Suppose the set is Y, capital letter Y. The members inside the set will be maybe you have to count it 1, 2, 3, 4. How many members are there? You will be writing n of Y is equal to 5 like that. This is cardinal number. It is an important topic. You may get questions in this also. Now, identify the finite and infinite set. A is equal to set of all 1, 4, 7, 10. It is a finite set. You have 4 members in this set. So it is infinite. Look at the third subdivision. C is equal to set of all x such that x is an even natural number. They have not specifically said up to 10, up to 40 like that. Any specification is not made. They have generally given even natural number. So it is an infinite set. Second problem. Which of the following sets represent the empty set? X such that x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is a whole number. X is a whole number means it will start from 0. So 0 plus 3 is equal to 0. It is an empty set. Third sum. Write the following set in the tabular form and find their cardinal number. We are going to write it in the tabular form. So mathematics means M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. So these are the members of the set C. And we are going to write the cardinal number. Cardinal number means how many members are there. How many elements are there in the set. So you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n of C is equal to 8. Fourth problem. Write the cardinal number of each of the following sets. A is equal to set of all 3, 7, 8, 12, 20. What is the cardinal number of A? So n of A is equal to how many elements are there? 5 elements of there. So n of A is equal to 5. Find n of a in each of the case. Same thing. In above question they have given cardinal number. Instead of calling it by cardinal number, they have named as n of. When you have the word n of, you have to write the cardinal number alone. A is equal to, what are the elements? 0, 4, 6, 8. How many elements? 4 elements. So n of a is equal to 4. Next, how to represent a set by a diagram. This is what we are going to learn it. Representation of two sets in the same diagram. See, when you have two sets in single diagram, you can draw like this. Exercise 1C. Look at the Venn diagram and fill in the blanks with belongs to or not belongs to. You are going to look at the Venn diagram and you are going to say it is belongs to or not belongs to. First question is 5-A. In A, the element 5 you have, if you look at the Venn diagram, you can see the element 5 inside A. So 5 belongs to A. And 10 is inside A. So you can say 10 belongs to A. So the set A has the element 10. And second problem, write the set A represented by a Venn diagram. So you have a Venn diagram, you have elements inside that Venn diagram. So you are going to write tabular form. What are the elements are there in the A? You are going to write it in the tabular form. A is equal to set of all U, V, W, X. Third problem, look at the Venn diagram and fill in the blanks. If you see the Venn diagram, you have A elements, B elements, and A also 10 will be there, B also 10 will be there. So common element is also there. Look at 1. 1 is in the set A. So you can say 1 belongs to A. If you see 2, 2 belongs to B. 4 is in the set A, but 4 not belongs to B. So 4 is in the set A and 4 not is in the B. Write the set A and B in the tabular form. So it is easy to write in the tabular form. Tabular form means you just open the braces and you will write all the elements by separating it by commas. So if you see the set A, you have A, C, D, E, B. So A is equal to set of A, B, C, D, E, and B is equal to D, E. Fifth problem, write the sets of P and Q in the tabular form. So set of the P will be having the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and Q will be having the element 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. So P is equal to Q is equal to. Easy problems. So seventh problem, represent the following sets by Venn diagram. So A is equal to 0, 3, 6, 9. First subdivision you are having, and we are going to represent that in a Venn diagram. So this set A, I have drawn a circle and I have written the elements inside the set 0, 3, 6, 9. Fourth subdivision they have given X is equal to set of all X such that X is the letter of the word Bharat. So you will draw a circle and name it as X, and the elements of the X will have B, H, A, R, T. So A should be written one time. It is an easy chapter. Revise all the problems and do the homework problem also. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you, students.